Winds of change, social inequalities and economic consequences of wind energy in the Isthmus of Tehuantepec. This important article is authored by the following scientists. This study examines the socio-economic and environmental impacts of wind energy development in the Istmo of Tehuantepec, Mexico, focusing on the municipalities of La Venta, Juchitán, and Santo Domingo Ingenio. Through a comparative analysis of census data from 2,251 households, we assess disparities in employment, land ownership, and economic benefits derived from wind farms. Key findings reveal that 1. Santo Domingo Ingenio exhibits higher wind turbine density, 1 to 3 turbines per household, and male-dominated employment compared to La Venta. 2. Only 11.69% of La Venta's gross local product, GLP, stems from wind farms, with businesses 38.59% and services 27.16%, dominating the local economy. And 3. Land lease conflicts and marginalization persist, exacerbated by opaque negotiations and unequal benefit distribution. The study highlights how neoliberal policies and transnational investments perpetuate social inequalities, despite wind energy's potential for regional development. We argue that equitable frameworks, centered on community participation, transparent land agreements, and local manufacturing, are critical to reconciling renewable energy goals with social justice in marginalized regions. Introduction. Wind power is rapidly becoming one of the most reliable and affordable sources of renewable energy worldwide. It offers major environmental benefits by reducing harmful emissions compared to traditional fossil fuel power plants. Wind energy also supports economic growth by creating jobs and boosting local economies, especially in rural areas where wind farms are often located. As global energy demand continues to rise, renewable sources like wind are increasingly important for meeting energy needs sustainably. In addition to being an environmental solution, energy plays a key role in a country's economy and international relations. Control over energy resources can even lead to political conflicts. This paper focuses on the Istmo of Tehuantepec in Mexico, a region rich in natural resources and history. It explores how the development of wind farms in this area has impacted the local economy and highlights the gap between government plans and the actual results experienced by communities. Conclusions. This study looks at how wind energy projects affect communities in the Istmo of Tehuantepec, especially focusing on La Venta, Juchitán in Oaxaca, Mexico. While wind power brings environmental and economic benefits, the local impacts vary greatly. For example, La Venta experiences more social conflict compared to the nearby municipality of Santo Domingo Ingenio. One key issue is the lack of clear communication between wind energy companies and local residents. Many landowners feel underinformed about the effects of wind turbines and worry about unfair land deals, low lease payments, and environmental impacts like noise or changes to local bird populations. Currently, wind energy contributes about 11% of household income, but this may grow with new projects and green energy policies. The study suggests future efforts should focus on fair policies, community involvement, and protecting vulnerable groups while ensuring that wind energy continues to grow in a socially responsible and sustainable way. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.